Assalamu alaikum, beloved Hazur.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Kainat Zahir. I'm a Waqfi now,
Kainat?
and I'm from Kainat Zahir.
Acha, mashallah, kainat.
I am a Waqfi now and from Birmingham North Jamaat.
Acha, mashallah.
In the Holy Quran, chapter 47, verse 16, a description of the garden promised to the righteous is as follows. Therein are rivers of water which corrupts not, and rivers of milk of which the taste changes not, and rivers of wine, a delight to those who drink, and rivers of clarified honey. Beloved Hazur, why is a river of wine presented to us in paradise as a pleasure when it is taught to us as harmful and prohibited?
That river of wine is not like here. This is just a metaphor to make you understand. Allah Ta'ala says that you when you drink alcohol here, you become drunk, right? And you don't know, you lose your senses. But there in the paradise, you will not have the same experience. That type of wine is something different, which is pure. Right? So, and it will not make you drunk or even of that sort. Right? So don't worry.
Yes.
So it is prohibited here because this type of wine is different thing. It is not pure. And that wine is pure. It might be, if you see, something which bring you close to Allah Ta'ala. Not that it is trying to keeping you away from Allah Ta'ala. Here when you drink wine, you lose your senses. This is why it is prohibited here. Okay? So you read, you see, if you read this thing, you read the commentary of it. It is very clearly explained in the 5-volume commentary. Do you have 5-volume commentary?
Yes.
Then you read the explanation of this, interpretation of this verse there. You would know that this is not the same type of wine. Okay?
Okay, Jazakallah.